Hi, in this video we will discuss about Mangalore University 4th Sem BCA Java Programming Lab Part B programs. Program 3. Write a program to calculate marks of a student using multiple inheritance implemented through interface. The class student with data members, roll number, name, string class and the methods to set and put data. Create another class test extended by class student with data members mark 1, 2 and 3 and methods to set and put data. Create interface sports with members sports weight is equal to 5 and put weight method. Now let the class result extends class test and implements interface sports. Write a Java program to read required data and display details in the need format. So we are going to create a hierarchy of classes here. So first we have a student and we have a subclass test, which is a subclass of student, and we are also going to have one more subclass. We call it as results, and that is going to implement an interface. We call it as sports. So now this is going to implement, this is extends, this is implements. So here we got a multiple inheritance. So Java does not support multiple inheritance, but we can implement multiple inheritance using interfaces. So this is a beautiful example to explain multiple inheritance using interface. So as it is given, we have a superclass student with roll number, name and class, and which consists of a method print data. So as they have said, we have to use a method to set and put data. So I'm using a constructor and a method put data or print data. Then the subclass test consists of mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, and we are going to create an interface sports weight is equal to 5. So whatever we define inside the interface will automatically become a final variable and the methods will become an abstract by default. So we are going to define a method put weight and we are going to declare a final variable, that is a variable sports weight is equal to 5. So what this class result is going to do, it is going to extend your test class and it is going to implement the interface sports. So let us see how it is created. So first we are going to import java.util to use scanner. Then class student consists of 3 data members, a constructor and a print data. So as we know, a constructor and a print data are used to get the input and print the output. In the next class test, the extends student consists of only 3 variables, mark 1, 2, 3, and here also we are going to use 2 methods. One is a constructor, the other one is print data. As we know, we can call the superclass constructor by using a super keyword. I'm directly calling super constructor by using super keyword. And also this is a method overriding. I'm also calling the print data method of class student, that is superclass student, and printing only marks over here. This is a form of polymorphism. Next we are going to define an interface sports. So interface sports, we are going to define int sports weight is equal to 5, public void put weight. Unless you define it as public, it cannot be accessed outside. So we declare it as public, and as I said, you don't want to use the word abstract. If it is defined inside an interface, all variables will become final variables, all the methods will become abstract. So now the final multiple inheritance is implemented like this: class result extends test implements sports. So we know Java supports only multi-level inheritance, that is a subclass can have only one superclass. If you want to implement more than one, then you have to go for using an interface, that is implements keyword. So now I'm going to use a constructor, and in this result constructor I'm just calling the superclass, that is the test with all these variables, and put weight is a method inside your interface. So if a class implements a particular interface, it should define that particular method given inside that particular interface. So system.out.println sports weight is equal to sports weight, that is I am printing the value 5 using the method put weight, and I am also using one method calculate to calculate the total and the percentage. So I am just limiting with only this calculation. If you are interested, you can also calculate the grade and you can print it. So now we have created three classes: student, a student class, and then test class, and a result class, and an interface we have created, that is sports. With this, you are going for the main class. This is your main class. In main class, I call it as interface demo. I am just declaring a scanner variable, and I will get all the student details like roll number and the name, class, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. And I am using integer.parseInt of s.readLine to convert the variable to integer, and other than that, if it is a string, I am using s.nextLine. So please note here, for every read statement I am having a corresponding display statement, that is system.out.println to read the proper input. I am using a print statement to get a formatted output on the screen. Once we read the input, we can create an object for the result obj, and we can pass all these values as parameters to the result constructor, and we will just call print data and put weight and calc to print the data in a neat format. So we create the object and we print the details neatly. So this is your main method. So the output looks like this. When I compile and execute, it will read the input for all the 6 data members, and it will calculate the sports weight also will be printed here, and total and percentage also will be printed. So we'll get a neat output. So this is an example for multiple inheritance using interface. Wish you a happy coding.